G'day guys, Greg here. Well, you're not going to believe this. Now, whenever I order Domino's pizza, I always just did it on my computer. But I got this email saying, if you sign up for the phone app, you can get a free Domino's pizza. So I was like, well, that's amazing. I didn't even have that app on my phone. So what I did was download the app, and sure enough, they gave me a code, and now I'm getting a free Domino's pizza! Mate, I'm getting more free food than a dumpster diver out the back of Woolies. So anyway, I'm going there now to go and pick up my free pizza. It's a garlic chicken and bacon ranch Domino's pizza. Sounds like an interesting combination, so I can't wait to give one of these pizzas a go. Anyway, let's go get it. Alrighty, well, here we go. Here's the free pizza I got from Domino's. It's got some good weight about it too. I can't wait to suss it out. So let's do that. Yeah. Da 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 da. Whoa, mate. Have a look at that. It's a bit out of shape. But gee, how's that for a free pizza? That looks alright. How many toppings is on it, mate? That thing is loaded. Oh, there's heaps of chicken and oh boy, there's lots of bacon. That must be the ranch. It looks like it's got like spinach or something on there too. Now, I also did order chili flakes just for, well, something a little bit different. So, I can't wait to dive on into this bad boy. Free! Oh man, how good is this? Free food. Wonder what this ranch dressing's like. I'm a big connoisseur of ranch dressing, you know. Quite vinegary actually. I think it might go well with the chicken. Let's certainly hope so. Man, this pizza is loaded. It's got to be one of the most loaded pizzas that I've had. Mind you, its normal price is like $16.90 or something, so it's an expensive pizza that they're giving away for free. But I don't mind. Poor old Don, it must be coming out of his back pocket. I mean, instead of making like $1 billion a year, he's probably only going to make about $999 million. Poor bugger. Anyway, let's go. Ooh, ranchy. And I did get some of those chili flakes on my tongue, and, well, I'll tell you what, they're not mild. They got some real kick to them. Not bad. Although now I'm sort of wishing I'd got like a different one, like a Meat Lovers or something like a Supreme or something, instead of the old boring chicken and bacon. But it was one that I hadn't had before, and I'm all about trying new things. So yeah, I've got to try other stuff, not just my favourite ones, which probably would have been something loaded with meat and salami and pepperoni and bacon. Probably not chicken, but other stuff. Yeah, but this is all right. Free? I must say, Domino's is very generous at giving away lots of free stuff. I mean, if there's ever any tragedy or something, Domino's is always there handing out free stuff. They're always feeding people, aren't they? Old Don, he's a real philanthropist, isn't he? He's always, like, giving away stuff. Good on him, I say. Especially when he gives it to me. I love it. And this pizza, well, mate, the toppings on this are just, it's got so many toppings on it. It's a really nicely made pizza and looks good. And the taste, It tastes alright. The ranch dressing seems to blend in and go nicely with everything. This bacon, mate, it's real bacon. It tastes great. And these chicken pieces, they actually taste like real chunks of chicken that have been like marinated or soaked in something. Almost like an Indian sort of spice and feel. But all together, that's pretty tasty. I think it tastes even better because it was free. And those chili flakes I put on it, well, they're giving a nice warmth to my mouth and really warming me up inside. Now, it's supposed to be garlic chicken, but, well, am I getting any garlic taste in this? Well, not really. I can't seem to taste any garlic in this. It's, well, hang on. Oh, I had another garlic pizza of theirs. I'm pretty sure that didn't have any garlic taste. So, well, if you're expecting a garlicky tasting pizza, I don't think you're going to get it. Now, this is the classic crust. I do like the Domino's crust. One thing that they can do real well is a good crust. It's just got the right amount of saltiness about it, and it's got not sweet at all either. I don't like the sweet things. At least it's not like a broiled crust. That's the last thing they need. Although, it could be an interesting concept, Don. Knowing Domino's, they've already done it, mate. They've been to the moon and back, Domino's, haven't they? They know everything. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this pizza now to know a score I'm going to give it out of 10. Well, price-wise, it was free. Yes. So that's a 10 out of 10 straight away. Although $16.90 for that, well, I'll tell you what, it is fully loaded, this pizza. There's heaps of toppings on it, and it weighs quite a bit. Topping-wise, mate, it is fully loaded. It is chock-a-block, and there's plenty of everything on it. Flavour-wise, mate, it tastes pretty nice. There's no garlic taste in the chicken, though, which is a bit funny considering it's called a garlic chicken and bacon ranch. Maybe those chili flakes I got on it drowned out the taste of the garlic. Although I highly doubt it. So for my score out of 10 for this pizza, I'm giving it a 7.839472 out of 10. It tastes pretty good and I am quite enjoying it. I did wish I'd got another one with bacon and pepperoni and salami and ground beef and all those other good meats on it. But hey, it's always worth trying something new. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you decide what pizza to choose next time you're ordering one from the old Domino's. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat a pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review